Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your TDS Income Tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in incometax.gov.in and press enter. You will then be taken into the official income tax website for the TDS service. Now from the homepage, in order to log into your existing account, click on the login button at the top right corner. This will then open up the login portal from which you can access your account through entering your credentials. Now, first of all, enter your user ID, which is either your PAN or your Aadhaar number, and you can also use your other user ID that you have created. You can then click on the continue button and you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account on TDS Income Tax website right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can also use your permanent address number and your other government issued IDs in order to recover your account credentials. And there you have it. That is how you can log into your account on the TDS Income Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.